Hello guys, in today's video I do have the AMAZFIT UP earbuds and I'm going to tell you how to fix that earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to the touch controls. So you have to start by looking on the earbuds here. If you feel that these buttons over here are damaged and you can't click it, or you feel some distortions when clicking here this button or this button over here, you need to now try changing the earbuds, like contact device support, and let your earbuds be changed. If you don't feel these distortions and you feel that the buttons are okay, we have to move the phone. So try restarting the phone, forgetting your earbuds and pairing them back again and restarting your device. This should help you. If it didn't help you, you need to charge your earbuds up to 1% and check if it wasn't the issue. If it was the issue, that's nice, but if it wasn't, the only thing you had to do is to, as I said, contact device support, because your device may be just broken. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.